Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to use the slider image gallery at connect.dataczar.com. So first thing you do is go to dataczar.com and you can sign up or log in here. We're already logged in. I'm going to click on the button. Okay, that takes us to dashboard on the main menu. Let's get rid of that. We're going to go full screen. Okay, so from dashboard to work on the website, we're going to click on the website button. And we're going to be adding the slider image gallery to pages. But first of all, let's tab over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes. We're going to add a slider image gallery to our home page and another slider to our gallery page. So we'll do both of these pages. Let's go back to Connect. So we went to the website button. Now we're going to click on Pages here. And by the way, these are all the editing tools for working on your website. You have post pages, page templates, you have your template appearances and your settings. We're going to go to Pages, and we're going to go to our home index page. We're going to edit this. Click the Edit button. And you just scroll down a little bit, and you're going to look for this Gallery section here, and you're going to check that off. It's going to open it up, and you're ready to add a picture. So what you do is you click on the Choose button right here. And I'm going to go to My Images. The first picture we're going to do is El Capitan here at Upper Yosemite, or in Yosemite, California. So we're going to put a title here. And Yosemite, California. And I'm going to copy that because I'm going to use it again. And the description is El Capitan. And we're going to go ahead and add another item by clicking Item. So we're going to add the next picture by clicking Add Item. That one already added it, so we can either edit or delete by hitting those buttons. So for the next picture, we're going to click the Choose button again here. We're going to go to My Images. We already have these preloaded in My Images. You can upload an image. You can choose a file from your computer and upload them. We already have them in My Images. So we're going to go here and find Upper Yosemite Falls right here. We're going to use this one. So scroll back up to where we were and title Yosemite, California, and Upper Yosemite Falls is going to be the description. So we added those two. I'm going to click Add Item again. We added those two here, and again you can edit or delete. And we're going to scroll down and we're going to click Update on the page. And then we're going to go back to Pages. And you can do it on another page too. It'll be a totally different slider. So on the gallery, we're going to go here. We're going to do the same thing. We clicked on the Edit button. Now we're going to click on the Gallery section. We're going to choose an image just like we did the last time. We're going to go to My Images. And we're going to click this cow picture right here. And we're going to go ahead and add a title, Hiking with Cows. And this is at Santa Isabel East. And then we're going to add another item. This time, let's choose one more. We're going to go to My Images. And we're going to pick this one here. And title, again, is Hiking with Cows, and this one is at Eagle Rock Trail. Okay, so let's hit Item again, and again, these are the two that we added. We can edit or delete, and then you scroll down and you click the Update button to update the page. Okay, so we did that. We updated our home page and our gallery page. Let's tab over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes. And we're going to go ahead and refresh the website. So let me go ahead and refresh that. And there's the slider. It shows up at the top of the home page. And there's the Upper Yosemite Falls, and there's El Capitan. And here's the rest of the page. But the slider shows up at the top, and same on the gallery page. Let's go ahead and refresh this. And there it is. It shows up at the top of the page. You have the slider, and there's the picture of Eagle Rock, and there's Santa Isabel East. So let's go ahead and go back to Connect. And one other thing I want to show you is this Help button right here on the main menu. And a good place to go is the Help Center right here. Just click on that, and that's going to take you to our Help Center at help.dataczar.com. And if you have any specific questions, a lot of your questions can be answered here. For example, how to use templates, getting started with Dataczar. There's a nice tutorial video. Featured tutorial videos are here, tutorial videos, all sorts of stuff. So let's go ahead and tab back over. And we're back on Connect, and we'll go back to the dashboard. And that's it. That's how to use the slider image gallery with Dataczar Connect.